start the restoration of this thing first, I think. First thing I'm going to do is just kind of tear it all down, try to get everything out. As you can see, it needs a lot of cleaning up and stuff and everything, so just going to go ahead and start taking things apart. I'm going to start, I think, by taking the neck off, so we'll go from there. Let's see, these things look a little rough, so we'll see what we can do. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. This does not want to come off here. I think I got it. All right. Put it down here for now. All right. That's definitely a good fit in there. Nice and tight. It's got some markings there where it was inspected, I think. I don't know what makes any difference over here. Maybe turn it this way so you can see what's what on it. And some serial numbers and stuff. Anyway, the neck doesn't feel too bad, but like I said, it's missing the nut up here and some other things. Looks like paint's chipping up here. So this will all have to come off. I don't know if I'll get another neck or if I'll just try to reuse this one, see what happens. I'll go from there.